myriads of electromagnetic frequency that ascends above and beyond our perception.
Yeah, that we can't even measure.
Right. I mean, and then there's a primary
Transcend into 5 emotional states. One is impulsivity, the other is distractibility, the third is disinhibition, the fourth is grandiose elation during manic episodes. They kind of disperse into the punchline or what laughter derives from it predicated on. So I started.
What's your favorite? You say you traveled so much.
So this is real stuff I find intriguing. Or just have a deep-seated understanding of sound from a physics perspective. I need to understand. In music, you have also sound. What is amplitude, frequency, velocity? Why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. Trajectory that occurs. You can cross disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.